Good morning student. Class 10th subject mathematics, linear equation in two variables. We have already discussed about the linear equations in two variable. We have solved the linear equations simultaneously, graphically, or by Cramer's rule. Now we are going to discuss new topic, that is equations reducible to a pair and linear equation in two variable. This is the new topic for you. You have seen this linear equation in two variable as ax plus by equal to c. This is the standard form of linear equation. Now we will see equation reducible to a pair of linear equation in two variables. New example. For understanding this, we will take one example. 2 upon x minus 3 upon y equal to 15, comma, next equation, 8 upon x plus 5 upon y equal to 77. Now these are the two equations, student. See here, you are going to appear in the SSC board, so that write your solution or answer systematically as given that 2 upon x minus 3 upon y equal to 15. This is your equation number 1. And 8 upon x plus 5 upon y equal to 77. This is your equation number 2. Let see here, you know that 2 upon x means 2 into 1 upon x minus 3 upon y means 3 into 1 upon y is equal to 15. Again here it is 8 upon x means 8 into 1 upon x plus 5 into 1 upon y equal to 77. Both are same, we can write like this, and values are also same, so that now student see here in equation number 1 and 2 put 1 upon x equal to m and 1 upon y equal to n in both of these equations, so that we will get a new equation. Now students, see here we will put this m in place of 1 upon x. Here it is also, and here it is. Again n in this, so that 2 into 1 upon x means m minus 3 1 upon y means n, so that we will put n here is equal to 15. Now give it as equation number 3. Again here it is also 8m plus 5n is equal to 77. Now student, say it as equation number 4. Now this is the equation in this standard form of linear equation. This is not a standard form of linear equation. We have to reduce this equation in this form or in this form, so that, and then find the value of x. Now we have reduced this equation in the standard form of linear equation or general form of linear equation. You have to keep in mind. Okay. Now, if in such a form equations are given, what we do, students? We do or we solve simultaneously. Both of these equations we solve simultaneously, so that you see here, for solving simultaneously there are coefficient needed to be equal or of the m or n, but coefficient are not equal. We have to, if we have to equate the coefficient, then we have to multiply either equation 1 or 2 by, so that for equating the coefficient we multiply equation 1 by equation, if we multiply equation 1 by 4, we will get 4 to the 8, so that we will get here 8m. I write here, or to cancel this I write here minus 4 multiplied by minus 4 and add 3, 4. See here, what will you get when you are going to multiply equation number 3, minus 4 to minus 4 to the minus 8m, minus 4 3 the plus 12n is equal to, if you are going to multiply left hand side, you have to multiply right hand side also, student, right? So that minus 60. Again, what we are right here, add 3 and 4, so that after multiplying by minus 4, so that 8m plus 5n is equal to 77. Now when we add this, minus plus get cancelled, right? 12 plus 5, that is equal to 17n is equal to 77 minus 60, or 6 minus 60 plus 77, that is equal to 17. So that n is equal to 17 will be on that side, that is 17 upon 17. You got the value of n, 17 1s are 17, so that value of n is equal to 1. Now put n is equal to 1 in any of these equation. We will put in equation number 3, so that in equation 3, it is not necessary, student, to put in 3. You may put it in 4 also. What is our intention? To get the value of m, so that 2m minus 3 and n is equal to 1, so that 1 is equal to this 15, so that 2m minus 3 1s are 3, that is equal to 15, that is 2m is equal to 15. If 3 on the other hand plus 3, that is m equal to 15 plus 3, that is equal to 18 upon 2. 2 is here multiply, it will go to divide, so that m is equal to 9. 2 9s are 18, so that. But what is our question? To find the value of x and y, we have taken to be suppose m and n, so that x and y we have to find out. We have already put 1 upon x is equal to m, so that 1 upon but 1 upon x equal to m, and 1 upon y equal to n. So that 1 upon x equal to m ची value 9 and 1 upon y, that is n equal to 1. So that put here again cross multiplication, 1 9 will become x into 9 x. Again here it is also 1 upon 1, y will be here, that is the cross multiplication y. So that we can write here x equal to 1 by 9 and y equal to 1 and 1 only. Therefore finally solution of the equation is x comma y is equal to 1 by 9 comma 1. So that student, you have to write in this way. I hope so student, you got the equation reducible to a pair of linear equation in two variable. So take a notes of it and take some examples from practice set 1.4 for your homework or assignment. If you face difficulty, ask your maths teacher or ask me. Thank you students.